Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the services sector and its share in the Pakistani economy. A services sector is considered one of the fastest growing sectors in the world economy because when more and more innovation and invention happens in the world, a lot more specializations are required and a lot more services are also required. As you see that in the 21st century, we have witnessed the technological revolution, and because of that revolution, we have found a lot of new jobs in the service sector as well. So the share of the services sector contributes to the 38.3% of the total GDP, and for the total GDP, it's the 47% in the low income countries, 53% in the middle income countries, and whereas the 73% in the higher income countries. So as you see that the more the service sector's contribution in the GDP, the higher would be your status in the world. So we have classifications in the service sector. The first important classification is called the distributive services, which move the commodities, information, as well as of people. So not only moving but also managing the people are also considered the distributive services sector. So some of these services are the final consumption in their own right, but most are auxiliary to the final consumption, and it brings the satisfaction and utility to the customer as well as to the individuals who are associated with this industry. So it also brings the earning to the producer. And then we have the producer's services. The producer's services are intermediate inputs to the further production of activities that are sold to the other firms. So it's a kind of mediator services which brings together the end user and the producer. So producer sector includes the monetary sector, and it benefits the customers and also delivers the capital to the manufacturer and the commercial community. And also we have the personal services. It's any business enterprise with the primary purpose of providing the personal service. For example, they may include the services of law, like lawyers, services of a teacher, services of people associated with the medicine industry, like the medical doctors, as well as engineers and designers. So we find a lot of specialized, skillful people who can provide the personal services in the modern society. So here you find that a glimpse of modern professionals who are discussing, or maybe one of them is providing his assistance or services to the other. And then we have the social services. It's a provision of services to the community, or can be called the community-based services. It can also be called the welfare-based services. So social service sector can be subdivided into the public administration, like judiciary, police, or civil servants. And then we have the health and education facilities. So here you can see that the social sector people are mostly engaged in the specialized activities which can benefit the great number of people. And also the service sector's contribution in Pakistan has grown from 37.2% in 1980s to the 58.8% in the 2010s. So as Ahmed and Hassan has found very importantly that the economy of Pakistan has transformed from agriculture to the service sector. So this sector employs people more than any other sector in Pakistan, and people are also making efforts to shift their focus from the agriculture sector to this service sector by gaining more and more specialized skills.